In this question, it is given that a particle whose speed is 50 meter per second moves along the line from A to B. Find its velocity vector in terms of A I cap plus B j cap. So Rm is to represent a velocity vector. So we can write velocity vector consists of two parts. One is its magnitude and another one is its direction. Direction is represented by a unit vector and magnitude is represented by, let's say, that is v. So in question it is given that speed is nothing but magnitude of velocity, which is 50, moves along a line. So its direction is given, that is a line which is moving from point A to point B. So this is the direction in which the particle is moving. So we can find out this vector or this displacement vector. From that displacement vector we can find out its direction. So we know that this is representing position vector for point A, that is Ra vector, and this is representing position vector for point B, that is represented by Rb vector. So we can write, what about the value of displacement vector? We already know that if a particle is displaced from point A to point B, its displacement vector is position vector of final point, that is Rb, minus position vector of initial point. So just observe what is final vector, Rb vector. Rb vector is 9 I cap plus 25 j cap minus what is Ra vector, that is 2 I cap plus 1 j cap. So we can write 9 I cap minus 2 I cap, which is 7 I cap, and 25 j cap minus 1 j cap, which is nothing but 24 j cap. So this is our displacement vector. Now, if we want to find out the value of distance, so we can write distance is nothing but the Rm is to find out the value of unit vector along this direction. So the vector of magnitude 1 along the direction of displacement, because we just need only displacement direction along the direction of displacement vector, or unit vector along the direction of displacement vector, that is displacement vector divided by its magnitude. So we'll get a unit vector along the direction of displacement or along the direction of velocity. So we can write that is 7 I cap plus 24 j cap divided by magnitude of this vector is nothing but under root of 7 square plus 24 square, that is going to be 25. So we can write this is our vector or along the direction of velocity, or that is the unit vector along the direction of velocity vector, or v cap. Now we've got both the things, that is v vector is equal to v into v cap. We know the value of v, which is 50, and the value of v cap is 7 I cap plus 24 j cap divided by 25. So we can cancel this 25 and 50, you will get as it is 2. So we can write 2 into 4, 7, that is 14 plus 48 j cap. So this is our velocity vector, which is 14 I cap plus 48 j cap, or 2 times of 7 I cap plus 24 j cap. This is our velocity vector.